Hi! Today I will show you how to add stickers to your videos in CapCut PC. Let's do it! Alright, I've got this clip in my timeline. Let's check it out. A confused doggy. And I want to add some stickers. So I'll click here in the stickers tab. And we've got literally hundreds and hundreds of stickers to choose. I want to add some question marks to the doggy. So I will use the search menu and I will type question mark. Okay, we've got a bunch. The first one looks nice. If it's the first time that you're clicking on a sticker, it will download it to your system. Like this one, you can see this little arrow right here. So I will click. And now it's downloaded and you can see a preview. And this preview will happen when you click on the stickers. You can also click on this star to add this sticker to your favorite folder. So I will click here and drag and place it in the center of the timeline of this video. So when the cursor reaches this position, the question marks will appear and then it will be gone. So now I will click on the sticker and I will place it above the doggy's head. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's nice. And I can stretch its duration to make it last the entire clip if I want it. Nice. And we can add as much as stickers that we want after this one, before this one, or above this one. So let's add another sticker, maybe a confused emotion sticker. Let's add here and see what we've got. Yeah, let's place it here. Alright, and if you use the Pro version of CapCut PC, you can choose any sticker of this list. But if you are not, you can only choose a sticker that doesn't have the Pro logo on it, like this one, for example. And if you're asking me where are the favorite section, it's the first one here. So all the stickers were favorite by me. You can note that it has a yellow star and not a white one. And if you click here in this sticker's name, you can see that the stickers are listed by a category, like favorites, that's the case, trending, Halloween, fall, and so on. And that's it. If you liked this video and want to support my channel with a tiny contribution, just click on the join button. We will have access to my videos a month ahead. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you always get new tutorials. See ya!